find Mama. Where is she? Smile, Mama, smile. Where is she? Where is she? They walk by the kitchen 10 times. Where is Mama? Where is Mama? Where is Mama V? Where is she? Where is she? Oh! Finally, Debbie went there. He was following his nose, you know, right? He was like,
Good boy, Dad.
okay. No. Easy. Sit. Okay, now come. Okay. Yes, I know. Yes, I missed you
How fast her
for the
tail's
whole
wagging.
for the whole 2 hours that I was away. I love you. Oh my God, you haven't seen me for a whole 2 hours. Yes.
Her tail is wagging faster than the speed of light.
Okay, Mom, I'll take you. Wanna go out?
She could
You wanna
travel
eat?
to another
You wanna
universe.
eat? Yeah.
With her
Kiss,
tail.
give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Kiss, good girl. Yeah, okay. Debbie, you wanna go? You wanna eat? You wanna eat? You wanna eat?
You said the G word.
Go out?
Yeah, his ears just went up and he turned his head.
So, is this still on? Okay. So the dogs. Shh. I cook for us and for the dogs. Okay, quiet. No, down. Down. Sit. Stay. You be good girl. Okay? Yes, you good girl. Move. Okay, so Xena's been sick. She's had some fever, some vomiting. Did she vomit?
Well, she didn't eat
Oh.
much. That's why she vomited, I'm pretty sure.
Okay, well she has to eat, and I know she's gonna eat this for sure. No, Debbie stay in the spot. You guys don't put the Snoop in the pot here. And Xena's gonna be picking carrots out of the.
She's obsessed with carrots.
Yes. Okay, this is for you and Debbie, and I know you guys are gonna mess it up.
See, she's smart.
Debbie,
She
can you
likes carrots. She doesn't like Cheetos. You get it?
No, what's Cheeto?
Donald Trump. So she knows what's good for her.
This is for me.
So she knows what's good for her. Get it?
Hey.
You
Are you
get
ready?
it?
Debbie, come clean up. Clean up aisle number 1. Good. And then you have to eat too. Okay, sweetie. That's too far for you, right? Okay, come. Okay, there you go. Okay, eat. Poor baby. She doesn't like the dog food that we bought. I'm gonna bring it to show it. Because that dog food.
No, Mom, don't.
Can I show it?
No.
Why?
Because she's a puppy and people are going to be complaining that, oh, why are you giving her adult dog food when she's a puppy?
She's 7 months. She can eat adult dog food.
No, she can't.
Oh, even Debbie doesn't like it. Does he like it? See? He said no.
Yeah, but she's supposed to, the puppies were supposed to be eating puppy food until
I
they're-
bought that food because there was no puppy food in the store. So I bought what was available, and then I said, okay, and I'll cook for her because she prefers the cooked food anyways.
They both prefer the cooked food.
I don't know, look at Debbie waiting for them.
He's shaking. Oh my god.
Poopy.
It's baby.
Okay, sweetheart. We have a whole pot of food, okay? That's enough for you
Come here,
and mommy
baby. Oh, my poor baby.
and both mummies.
My poor baby. Oh, you're shaking. You're wonderful.
Finally eating. I was so worried about her because she wasn't eating. Okay, she's in the
No,
position.
she's busy.
Missy. I don't. Hey.
She's trying to get to all the carrots.
Oh, she's.
She's like me when I was little. Oh my god. I tried to get to the good stuff first.
Close up for her.
I
There
tried
you
to
go.
get to the good stuff first. I wanted
Closer.
I wanted the skin of the chicken. And then I ate the rest of the chicken. And then I went for the good vegetables. And then I left whatever I didn't want. What a change now. Am I right?
Yep. You live and learn. Missy. Stop pushing food. Hey, you're making a mess, just like mama.
Like you?
No, her real mama, her doggy mama.
Sadly.
Sasha, she does the same thing. She'll push.
Yeah, but Sasha.
No, what are you doing? Yes, you
She
want.
wants you to pet her.
Okay, let me see your nose. Come, come. Okay, come. Come. Let me see your nose. Let me see your nose, mommy.
Yeah, she says here, you can see it.
No, I wanted to touch it, so come.
He's cleaning up. Good boy.
So she's eating faster.
Well, he's cleaning up. She's growling at him. Oh my god. He's only cleaning up your mess.
Very good boy. Yes.
You good
Go
boy.
clean it. Go clean it. There's a spot over there. See?
You have to tap. That's a type where it is.
Right there. Right now. She's like the rest anyways.
She's looking for the good stuff.
Debbie, be patient with her. There's lots of food for you.
Oh, his ears, his cute ears are like the lip flapping. Oh, he's so cute. She can't reach it properly now.
Well,
Cause she pushed it so many times.
okay, mommy, here. Now make sure you eat. Otherwise, we're gonna give it to Debbie, and he's a good eater. He'll eat
She's
everything.
already.
He's already there?
Cause he said we're gonna give it to Debbie, and then so he was hesitant, and then you said give
What?
it to Debbie.
Debbie's eating your food? This kid? Yes? Yes, give him shit. Yes, give him shit. Okay,
Oh,
quiet.
She's asking you to get him to stop.
Aww. Okay, Debbie, stop. Stop eating. Stop.
Good
Sit.
boy.
Sit.
You
Not
have, to
for
tell him,
both of
you have to tell him he's a good boy when he stops.
You're good.
Without
Yes,
force.
we love you. Yes, you're good. Sweetheart. Yes. No,
Look
no.
how fast she's
Okay.
eating it. Look how fast she's eating it.
Oh, that's good that I cooked it. Wow. That's because now she can push it around and she can fish the carrots out.
And
You know what? I'm
Debbie
gonna
picks it up.
start, since she likes the carrots so much, I'm gonna buy carrots.
You can't buy too much. They can't eat too much at once.
Okay, so...
Because it's just like humans, it's gonna give you the shits. Because it's gonna clean everything out. It's a
No,
lot of fiber.
carrots is not gonna-
It's a lot of fiber.
Okay, then I'll mix it up.
Mix it with the
I can
potatoes.
cook it for a long time and then mash it up with the potatoes, and then she'll have to be together because it's
Her teeth
together.
are gonna be no good then.
What do you mean?
Because then she's gonna get. She's not gonna be needing to use them.
Okay, then we'll buy them. Okay, listen. First of all, tomorrow. Today you're going to that thing? I think today you should skip that trip.
I just want you to pet me.
But you're not telling me if you're skipping or not.
No.
Yeah.
I feel better.
Yeah, you always feel better when you have to go out. You have to skip. Hey, Debbie, you don't have to wait.
Debbie,
Debbie,
sit.
sit.
Good
Right
boy.
in front of the camera.
And with his butt facing the water bowl.
Oh, gross! Hey, buddy,
Mama, I don't think you know. I don't
your
think he
poopy,
knows.
your poopy is in
Your poopy hole is.
in the bowl, in the drinking bowl. Hello.
Debbie.
Is anybody in there?
Yeah. Debbie, come here.
No.
Debbie, come here. You want a goodie? You want a treat?
No, he just wants to eat.
Debbie, come. Let's see.
Xena, look
His
at
tail
Xena's ears.
His tail moved. Sorry. Debbie, sit. Sit.
Debbie. Okay, Xena, yeah, help yourself. Good girl. She just brought it closer.
Okay, Debbie, eat.
Come on, use your paw. That's what you have them for. Bring the ball closer. You have to be smart.
He's such a good boy.
She says, okay, there's nothing left in there.
Nothing good left
Yeah.
to her.
And I'm still a little bit of carrots in there.
That's why she's still looking. Come here. Come here. Good boy.
Oh, he's so soft. Hey.
I know.
He was the fluffiest
He's a
puppy
teddy
of them.
bear.
He was the fluffiest puppy of them all. He was like a little fur ball. He was so cute and we picked him up. He was just wandering.
Why
All
is
the
her ears
puppies.
so weird?
All the puppies were running like towards the.
This means I know.
All the puppies were like running towards
Okay, Debbie, go eat.
the gate, and he was just like, just standing there, just.
So he's like me. All the puppies are running to the gate, and I'm the
And he
one
was a
just
different one.
hanging out.
That's why, because he was different from all the others.
Chill.
Yeah. Mallow, see Mallow Yellow. That's his name. They named him Mallow Yellow. See?
Now he's more like.
Mallow. We should have left Mallow.
Now he's more like mellow toast.
Do you want to go out? Yes. You want to go out? You want to go outside and poopy and pee-pee? Yes.
Mama, now he's more like mellow toast.
Yes. You want to go poopy and pee?
Doesn't he look like toast?
Good girl. Oh,
He looks like toast.
do you have her jacket here? Because it's cold and.
No.
Okay, I'm gonna go and
It's in
find
the
it.
living room.
Okay,
Or
Mom.
in your room.
We're gonna go find your jacket, okay? Okay.